Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out this dog bark controller. So this is for basically like training your dog if they're barking or fighting or misbehaving, instead of disciplining them physically, I guess. So this one can be used on one dog. You don't want on multiple dogs. Not under 6 to 8 months and not over 8 years old, and then within less than 16 feet, but not more than 16 feet. And so you use this with training commands. So basically, if you have a dog that needs some little bit of correcting here in a few areas, then this thing can be a nice little tool that shouldn't really bother them too much. So this is like an ultrasonic device, and comes the instructions there, a nice little lanyard that we can attach right there. Also has a port here for our USB charger, USB-C, and there's little puppy paws on there. So okay, it's a very high-pitched noise. It's got the USB to USB-C thing there as well. So that's the device right there. When you do, I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. It's kind of high pitched there. It's kind of super annoying. It's really hard to describe. I don't know if you guys can hear that on the microphone there. But anyways, that's what it looks like. So if you have an unruly dog. Now, I did take a little walk in the neighborhood. There's some dogs that were barking at me, and aimed this kind of at them and pulled the trigger, and it seemed to like do pretty good as far as them just kind of stopping barking. I mean, so it's an interesting device, and definitely for like training your dogs and stuff like that. So yeah, not a lot to it, but it's pretty neat. I was going to upload the videos about the dogs, but not really good quality. I had cars and stuff going by in the background, so you're just going to have to take my word for it there. But a pretty interesting little device here, and definitely makes some weird noises. I know I've had one like a similar one like this, and I just kind of pointed out to my cats, and they wanted nothing to do with it. So yeah. Alright, my friends, thanks for watching this unboxing video. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.